So today we're going to take a quick at this laser rangefinder. Now this is the box that the rangefinder came in, and so you can help it to help kind of get the distance to your target for bow hunting or just regular rifle. And then it is like it does have a rain and fog mode, so it can kind of help determine through that. And this is just kind of some of the things that it'll help you with, which is vertical distance, horizontal, the height between 2 points, and the speed measurement. Okay. And so this is the rangefinder itself. It's nice, and the camo design is pretty neat. It's very lightweight. It did come with 2 batteries, which I did put in to make sure that the rangefinder itself did work, and it did. Has a little like wrist strap or whatever, so you don't drop it. And it came with a nice hardened case, like a little weatherproof case here, so it can keep it nice and dry if it's kind of raining or whatever. So it's pretty good. It did have the manual, and rest assured, as I did turn on the rangefinder, if I can open this real quick with one hand, all the little indicators on the rangefinder did work, which was kind of like what's in here. Now, of course, they don't all pop up at the same time. You'll filter through the modes of what you want with this button here. You'll turn it on with this button, and also filter through some of the modes with these 2 buttons. But yeah, so it kind of will help you. This kind of like has what you're kind of gauging, just to help you a little bit better. So it does have a manual, so you can kind of, get an idea of what all the little indicators on the lens are. The lens is adjustable for viewing as well, so it is a pretty cool little feature on it. So overall, I think it's a pretty cool item to get your hands on to help you gauge the distance better. And like I said, it's a nice, cool camo look to it, and it did work. And all the indicators on the inside, I know there was no way I could show you, but they're very clear, they're dark, bold, and clear, so you can really read everything really well through the lens. So overall, this laser rangefinder seems to be a pretty good item. So yeah, so thanks for watching, and I hope this review helps out. Thanks.
Okay. It's hard to hold it steady, but as you can see, it's got different modes. Sorry about my hands not being super steady.